everybody, come on in and welcome to Caldera Creative Creations. This is a holiday wreath channel and we are making a beautiful Valentine's wreath. We are working with some pinks. Wow. Okay, we got a variety of some mums, some roses, some other beautiful flowers. We got some ribbon, some beautiful blue and white. I think 97 inches. We got a little bit of some pink. That's 37 inches. We also got... We are working with some of these beauties again, which are 12 inches each, the piece. I got a pink one, burlap, and a white one. Bam. And we also got this beautiful heart, which I attached already. So with that said, let's get this started. How's everybody doing out there in Tubuland? Just want to give them big thanks and appreciation to all the viewers and subscribers. Ooh, I got so happy. Thank you guys. And I'm going for the gusto. I ain't stopping yet. This makes you want to keep going. But for real, man. I thank you guys. Anyways, let's get back to this. Ooh. Okay, we're going to pin this in here. I did it again. Oops. Pay attention, mama. We're going to make our little loop. Our little loop, and we're going to pin it up in here. Just like so, with a little tail. Then we are going to spin it around. It's just going to be a little piece. And put it right in here. Look at that. Wow. Get that tail hanging there. Then we're going to get this long beauty. Okay. This is the 97-inch ribbon. We are going to take this one again. We're going to wrap it over and like 12 inch long and then make our little loop. Then we're going to make our another little loop to the left to the right. And we're going to get this pinned in here, right next to this guy. There we go. Wow. Look at that. See how spectacular? Then we're going to whip it around. And everybody see? We're going to whip it around. Excuse us, floral. And we're going to whip this guy around like this. Then we're going to get another one. We are just going to do one 12-inch long, 12-inch long hoop right here. Pin it in and bam, look at that. Ooh, okay. Yeah, I was looking at my channel and I thought, oh my. I just did a backflip when I seen that. No. Hey, look at that, everybody. Look at how it's coming. Now, we are going to go down and we got enough for two more. So, we're going to make two more loops. 1 and 2. Let's pinch it and turn it so you can see the flower side. There we go. Look at that. How beautiful, huh? Just be creative and use your imagination and balance things out and you will have a beauty and have fun making it. Look at that. Ay. Got it. There. Did I get it? Oh, mama. I got it. There. Okay, we got this. Uh-oh. I got it. We got it. Right there. Okay, look how beautiful that came out. Bam. See? Now we're going to just put all our mums in there and our florals and we're going to get this set. Look how beautiful this comes out. Just so lovely. We're going to get one there. We're going to get one down here. Remember, you got to balance your florals out. Make them shine, but then make them look beautiful. And we're going to get some florals. Little florals here. What I was thinking, is I got to get my... Hold up on the florals. Rewind. Let's start with these. We're going to make these beauties. Let's put these beauties in so we know what we're working with. Step back and visualize, mama. Yeah. Now, I know what I'm doing. Okay. Let's get these guys in here. I'm going ahead of my time, man. I'm just anxious to show you guys this beauty. We got one pin there. We got another one pinned right up here. Look how beautiful these just came. Get them together. Pin them in. And oh, wow. What a difference it makes. There we go. Look at that. And push them out different ways. Curl them. Just so lovely. Okay. And the way we make those. These are 12 inches cut. We got the little beautiful fancy tail, then put them together however you want the color and just get the thing, pin them in and presto, we got it. Bam. And twist it up and there it is. We got a beauty going on. So this one is going to go right down here. Wow, this is coming out pretty good. If anybody likes this video, likes how it's coming out, or leave a comment, I appreciate it much. Yes, indeed. I am learning, you guys. We are learning together, okay? So with that said, let's get crazy with these roses. We're just going to put them all around, you know, where the spaces you need them. But make sure you bounce them out. These beauties, we're going to get up here. And put those up there. We're going to get another guy. I think we're going to get this guy right here. There we go. We're going to get some more right here. Some hot pink up here. Oh, look at how beautiful this is coming. I get some right here. We get another one over here. Wait. Here. Wow, this is coming out beautiful. Another one here. And I think we got it, everybody. I think we got it. Oh, yeah. We got to get some of our greenery going. Listen, we got to get some greenery. Wow. There it is, everybody. I think we got it. Let's pop out these beautiful ribbons and show you our beauty, what we got. I appreciate being here, and I had fun being here with you like always. Until next time, everybody. Ooh, look at this. Check it out. How did he come? Let me see. Let me check out my in the camera. Oh my God, look how beautiful. Look at how beautiful. Boing. Look at it. Once again, thanks for coming to Caldera Creative Creations. Be happy, be creative, and step back and visualize. Let's all smile now. Happy Valentine's Day. Until the next video. Peace. See ya. Wow. And thanks for watching my videos, subscribers and viewers.